रहीम रब्बी यस्सिर वला तुअस्सिर वतम्मिम बिल खैर रब्बी ज़िदनी इल्मा. Assalamu alaikum students, how are you all? I hope all of you are in good health and iman. Students, welcome to the online class. Today we are going to start our lecture number 7. Lecture number 7 will be all about your tenses. So today we will do tenses including present and past indefinite. In other words, in simple words, simple present and past tenses. Our objectives are definitions, formations, drill, including translation. In this lecture, we will learn how we can identify through translation that which kind of tense we'll use in the translation. We will also revise the definitions of both tenses, the formations of simple, negative, interrogative sentences, and we will do the drills. Okay, so let's start with the present indefinite tense. So we will do today simple one, which is one of the three types of the present tense. And in simple indefinite present tense, we will do three types of sentences, which are simple, negative, interrogative. Okay, so let's move to the examples. Sun rises from east. सूरज मशरिक से तुलू होता है. परिंदे हवा में उड़ते हैं. Birds fly in the air. हम नाश्ता करते हैं. We do breakfast. Okay, so here is one thing which is common in all of these three examples in translation, in Urdu translation. Number 1, होता है, उड़ते हैं, करते हैं, ता है, ते हैं, ते हैं. इनके through you will know that we will use here in English translation the present tenses. Okay, come to the English translation. Sun rises from the east. Birds fly in the air. We do breakfast. So here rises, fly, do are the verbs. And through the verbs, we will recognize that this sentence is of present tense. Okay, so in first example, here is S after E of the rise. Why? Because sun is the singular subject. In the second example, there is no S with fly because birds are the plural and its subject is the plural. With plural subjects, we don't put S or ES with the first form of verb. Come to the next. Here we write do in third example, not does, because we is the plural subject. Okay, so let's move to the example analysis. सारा राइट्स अमेजिंग आर्टिकल्स. सारा हैरत अंगेज मज़ामीन लिखती है. Here Sara is the subject. Writes is the first form of verb. Here we write S after write because Sara is the singular subject. Next, amazing articles is the object. Amazing is what? Adjective, and articles is the noun. So together they are the object of the sentence. So from when you see in the Urdu translation, you will see in the last that there is ती है. सारा हैरत अंगेज मज़ामीन लिखती है. This shows that action is happening regularly. So what will be the definition of present indefinite tense? Yes, present indefinite tense used to describe action that is either happening right now or that happens regularly or routinely, and we put S or ES depending on the situation of the subject. Here is an example. Sara writes excellent articles. Okay, now we will do the analysis of three types of sentences. First we will do simple sentence, then we will do negative sentence, and then we will do interrogative or interrogative one. Okay, let's move to the simple one. Again, we will analyze the same example in simple sentence. Sarah writes amazing articles. Sarah हैरत अंगेज मज़ामीन लिखती है. Here Sarah is the subject. Then what is the formation? Writes is the verb. Which form of verb? First form of verb with s or es. Then what will be the amazing articles? Yes, they both are the object. So this is the formation of a simple sentence. Okay, now moving to the next one. Simple negative sentence. Okay, here we will change the example. You do not peel orange. तुम संतरा नहीं छीलते हो. Here you will be what? Yes, subject. Then you will write first form of verb do. Then peel orange will be the subject. So what is the difference between simple sentence and the negative sentence? You will put not between object and the verb. Okay, understand? Now move to the simple interrogative sentence. Here the example is, do flowers bloom in the garden? क्या बाग में फूल खिलते हैं? Now come to the formation. First come do, which is the first form of verb, then subject, yes, then what? Then object will come, but here there is a first form of verb जो again यहाँ पे आया है, and then आ जाएगा आपका object. लेकिन in simple cases do will come first, verb will come first, then subject and then object. Okay, we will again revise the formation in different manner. Here are the simple ones. Subject plus verb, ses plus object. Subject if it is plural, then verb and object. In negative, you will write subject. Do, does depends on the situation of the subject, not, then verb and then object. In interrogative, you will put do and does first, then subject. फिर कोई आ गया अगर कोई verb, then आप वो put करेंगे and then object. Now move to the past indefinite tense, simple past tense. So we will do the simple past tense, which is also the one of the three types of the past tense. So let's move to the examples. From examples, we will understand the definition and the formation.